What's some specials at Aldi on Wednesday, the 28th of May? Thursday, the 28th. I don't know how I've done that, I really don't. If you're new here, hi, my name's Dylan and I show Aldi middle aisle every week on a Wednesday and a Saturday evening, so make sure you're hitting that follow button so you don't miss out on a special buys update at Aldi. We have the cordless compressors in, and these are $29.99. We have the smart video doorbell for $16.99. Hobby tool accessories for $3.49. Magnetic items, and these are £2.99. Down here we've got the wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and that is $44.99. The evaporative air cooler, and this is $39.99. We have the misting fans for $2.99. We have the mobile design fans, and these are $4.99. And then the 3-in-1 mini fans for $8.99. Also got these stainless steel water bottles for $4.99. Two-step stools, and these are $17.99. We have the premium mats in for $4.99. All the different special spray assortments, and these are $4.99. The overhead shower set, and these are $24.99. We've got all the drain tools, and these are $3.99. The seal assortment sets for $3.99. 360 battery work light with tripod, and these are $24.99. The grout pens and touch-up markers for $1.99. The XXL screwdriver sets for $19.99. The cordless multi-tool for $24.99, and angle grinder as well. We've got the 12-volt cordless rotary tool, and these are $19.99. Tubs of masonry paint for $9.99 in a cream and a white colour. We have all the garden accents here, and these are $9.99. LED solar spotlights for $12.99. And up here you've got the multifunctional sharpener for $14.99. Down here you've got the workwear gloves for £2.49. And then we've got the drill accessories, and these are $3.99. High velocity fans in a silver and a black colour. Sorry, black and chrome. And these are $29.99. The cordless jigsaw and circular saw for $24.99. Down here you've got the cordless reciprocating saw and the cordless multi-drill, and these are $24.99. Dolly trolleys for $9.99, and then we've got some professional brushes, and these are $1.99. Mattress protection here in a king size and a double size, and these are $7.99. We have summer fresh bedding sets in 4.5 tog for $9.99, and these are for the double ones. And then for the king size, these are $11.99. Here we've got the pillows in, and these are $7.99. And then the smart temperature regulating pillows for $12.99. Men's short pyjamas for $5.99, and then you've got adult lightweight footbed sandals in different colours for $4.99. Different fitted sheets for £9.99 and $7.99, and then we've got some pillowcases, cooling pillowcases, and these are $3.99. The embossed shoulder bag, and these come in two colours for $12.99. We have some slip-on ultra lightweight slippers for $8.99. Ladies sandals, and these are $10.99. Bed linen sets, and these are $24.99. We have shapewear shorts in for $4.99. Women's trousers in linen, and these are $9.99. Trekking sandals for $12.99, and then we've got children's footbed sandals, and these are $4.99.